one of the worst conspiracy done against humanity, the most powerful conspiracy done against humanity, even in the level of your survival, reproduction, sexual instincts, you are converted into just a customer or a client. Your freedom is snatched, swindled by the established chronic capitalistic mental setup. Listen, I am absolutely against pornography. One of the main reason is when you become addicted to pornography, you just become a client, customer for those who supply the pornography to you. Please understand. You are no more sexy. You are no more sexually alive. Sex is no more yours. You lost it. That's a worst loss. Losing your sex to chronic capitalistic industries. You will just do what they say, and you will just be made to believe what they say is the pleasure. The moment you start believing, see the pornographies, porn industries, vision of sex is just making you as their customer. They become your masturbation utility value, and maybe they supply multiple levels of products, whether it is some pill or an injection or a sex toy or whatever. You are just a client, customer. Even in your fundamental core level, you do not have knowledge or vidya, the clarity about what for you have been given this great possibility called sex by Paramashiva. Absolutely. That component does not exist. You are just a customer, client. I am not talking only about the hardcore porn, even the soft porn in media, in advertising industry, entertainment industry, social media platform, in every level. I don't know why cars need to be advertised with half-dressed models. Even the car seats are more dressed, more covered. Car seats are more clothed and more covered than the models who are promoting the cars. Listen. The Tantra looks at your sex as your conscious blueprint to become Paramashiva. Porn industry looks at your sex as customer, client, consumer. The porn industry teaches you how to become their regular customer. That's it. Nothing more. In multiple layer products and services and goods, it may be products, pills, sex toys, drugs, services, from escort to export, goods, all the other related accessories, paraphernalia. Listen carefully. The most unsexy industry on the planet Earth is pornography. It is just sheer destruction of the greatest energy Paramashiva has given to the living beings. It's like Paramashiva has given you a golden conscious blueprint as the map, golden conscious blueprint to build your life and map to reach Kailasa, and you use that as just a tissue paper. Using the golden map, conscious blueprint given by Paramashiva, instead of reaching Kailasa and manifesting Paramashiva using that map and blueprint, using it as a tissue paper and flashing it out is what is porn industry. Porn industry teaches you to use it and flush it out. Tantra teaches you how to use that conscious blueprint and manifest Paramashiva and use that map and reach Kailas. I tell you, in every field, industries which are trying to make you customer consumer stops you being active, you being alive. Understand? And I tell you one more thing. You need to know this very clearly. This is too important. Listen carefully. This is the truth directly from Cosmic Archive. Whenever I listen to Manikya Vasagar, the great saint from South India, Jnana Sambandar, I have my own favorite singers, one great singer called Dharmapuram Swaminathan. I should say that he is a Oduvar from a traditional way of learning. He learned it very traditional way. His voice is my favorite. Always my bedtime songs will be only the Dharmapuram Swaminathan's Devarams. That's my bedtime song. My grandfather used to sing, and of course, unfortunately, we never audio recorded my grandfather's voice. Anyhow, I enjoy Dharmapuram Swaminathan's Devaram. That's my bedtime song. Listen carefully. Whenever I listen to Jnana Sambandar and Manikavasakar, they are great verses. I see literally my inner space transported to their inner space. Listen carefully the statement I am going to make. When you are addicted to pornography, the person you remember in your masturbation, that person's biomemory forcibly starts manifesting in your system. And this is a strong statement I am making. Not only you carry the remnant of every person with whom you shared your body, had sex, you carry even the biomemory of the people whom you remember as your masturbation utility value. Listen. You may not have physically even seen them, but their biomemory strongly affects you. Whoever you remember, you fantasize about, their biomemory affects you strongly. And this is the next statement, next truth. Listen carefully. Most of the porn stars suffer with a deep depression, drug addiction, and ultimately suicide, because whoever remembers them as a masturbation utility, their biomemories affect this person. Please understand, we are not separate islands as we imagine. Even islands are not separate, they are all interconnected below the ocean. Ocean is just a skin deep on planet Earth. Why don't you guys understand? Island is not island, is not island. Listen to this statement. Island is not island, is not island. Island is not island. Ocean. If you compare the depth of the ocean to the size of the planet Earth, it is just skin deep. Not even more than a skin deep. Even the deepest ocean is only a skin deep. Island is not island. None of us are islands. Never make yourself as masturbation utility value for people, nor have low conscious beings as your masturbation utility value. Listen carefully. in biomemory level, all of us are deeply connected. The intensity of the inner world manifests as continuity in the outer world, and continuity of the outer world manifests as intensity of the inner space. I have a Shastra Pramana to share with you all about what I said related to pornography, masturbation. Vishnu Purana, 3rd Amsha, 11th Adhyaya, 122nd and 123rd Shloka. Paratarannakacheta manasapi gatachana kimuvacha asti bandho abhinasti deshu vyavayinam mruto naragamapyeti hiyate atrapi sayushaha paratarakadihi bumsam upayatrapi pidita. Listen. The translation is, do not have sex with anyone other than your committed partner. In Hinduism, in ancient times, there were people who married, sometimes 2 wives, 3 wives. I'm not going to talk about that now. I'm only translating it as it is. Do not have sex with anyone other than your committed partners, even mentally, nay, verbally. Do not even masturbate remembering anyone other than your committed partners, because in the thought level there is not even a skeleton structure for the person who is remembered lustfully during the act. Even having sex mentally, even masturbating, remembering someone other than your committed partners will lead a person to Naraka, hell, after death. While alive, it will lead to depletion of life energy, health and longevity. Those who have sex even mentally with someone other than your committed partners will experience the biomemory of those people, fear and danger in this life and after death in both the worlds.